This hair growth serum will give me a full head of hair, Barky.
Oh, what's happening?
Daddy? Daddy, hurry!
Huh?
This stuff doesn't work.
Hello there. Ah! A monster!
Hey, you! Stop right there! A hairy monster? Not in my city.
It's not a monster! It's dead!
Get back, Mila. That thing looks dangerous.
Run!
Ah! Freeze! You won't get away!
First, we have to get that hair sprayer. Then, we have to find Daddy and turn him back to normal. Quick, to the lab!
I don't understand why it hasn't worked, Mr. Vanderboos.
I sprayed it all over my head. But look, I still have no hair.
Morphle, I know how we can help Daddy. Morph into a monkey. Then sneak over there and get the sprayer. Great job, Morphle.
Not again!
Huh? Ah!
I've got you now.
Oh, boy.
It's Daddy!
Mila, I'm trapped outside the Magic Pet Center. Please come and rescue me.
We're on our way. Morphle, morph into a kangaroo. It's time to bounce.
Stay where you are.
Wait, please. No.
Got you. No! The monster's too dangerous. Bring the van nearer.
Morphle, morph into a crane.
Morphle!
Woohoo! Way to go, Morphle. Get me closer to Daddy. Almost. There.
No, stop right.
Let my daddy go.
It's not your daddy. It's a hairy monster.
Oh, yeah?
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
I don't understand. There was a hairy monster there a second ago.
Don't bother with this stuff. It doesn't work at all. See?
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. It's Halloween, Morphle! What are you gonna dress up as?
Ghost!
Oh, spooky! Come on, let's go trick-or-treating!
Ghost!
Huh? Oh, Morphle, it's only your reflection.
Wait for Morphle!
Trick or treat! Ah!
Ah! A ghost!
Did you see how much candy they got?
Yeah! Be a ghost and get the most!
Mila! Morphle! Two real ghosts just stole my Halloween candy!
But, Jordy, ghosts aren't real.
Then what are they?
Candy.
No! Morphle, morph into a big robot and scare those ghosts away. Morphle?
I'll take that!
Oh, I'll zap you with my zapper!
Oh no, a zapper.
Morphle? Jordy! Mila! Help! Not again.
I'll take that!
And
I'll take this.
I recognize those shoes.
Uh-oh.
Give it back.
Without Morphle, you can't stop us!
Mila! Morphle! I was worried about you. Morph into a bat and flap your wings hard.
Morphle! Morph, morph! No!
I knew it was you two.
Let's split.
Our candy!
Morphle! Morph into a spider and catch those bandits in your web!
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome. Thanks for helping even though you were scared.
Morphle, no scared anymore!
Oh, every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Uh-huh. It looks just like a Nemi. Let's go show him.
Now's our chance, Yorn. We can take a Nemi. Once a Nemi's brought our magic pet to life, we'll have the perfect candy-stealing creature. Yorn, zap it! Oh, it's alive! Now, go steal us some Halloween candy! A Nemi gone?
Let's go look for him.
Oh, it's you, Morphle. Stealing candy? Not in my city. Now, where are my extra-large handcuffs?
A giant Morphle!
It's some kind of Frankenmorphle, and it's stealing everyone's candy.
Morphle! Morph into a werewolf and save Geralda! Morph, morph!
Oh, thank you, Morphle. I thought it was gonna eat me like an ice cream.
Frankenmorphle's getting away!
Wow, Morphle, that's a really good costume. But where's Mila?
Hey!
You should have asked if you wanted candy.
Our magic pet is so evil. It's even more beautiful than I imagined.
My candy!
We need to get a Nemi and turn Frankenmorphle back before it ruins Halloween. Play along, Morphle. Oh, Morphle, won't you try some of this delicious candy?
Candy tasty.
Morphle, morph into a broom and fly over Frankenmorphle.
Morph, morph.
A Nemi! Turn Frankenmorphle back to normal. Thanks, Animi. Now, you bandits will have to give everyone their Halloween candy back. Magic pets won't just do what you tell them to. They have to trust you and be your friend. And that makes every day a magical day with a magic pet. Ready, Morphle? Ready! Whoa!
Mila, Morphle, meet my new improved partner, Robofreeze 2.0. Hello, citizens.
Officer Freeze? Did I
Didn't Robofreeze turn evil last time?
Yes, but now I've got a remote control unit that will switch him off if he turns evil again, which he won't. Oh no, he's turned evil again.
Citizens of Petport, prepare to be arrested.
Officer Freeze, use the remote control and switch him off.
I don't have it. Perhaps I left it at the cafe.
Let's go! Take cover!
You're under arrest for eating cakes.
But we actually paid for them. Leave us alone.
Let's get the remote control.
Halt, citizens. Where are you going? You're under arrest for going to a cafe.
Officer Freeze, grab the remote and we'll distract him. Woo, you can't catch us.
Hey, let me out.
Stop. You need a permit to fly.
Faster, Morphle! Morphle, hide! Phew! Let's get back to Officer Freeze!
Let me out! Let me out!
Activate new upgrade. Ha ha ha.
Oh, why did I install that force field maker?
You're under arrest for trying to break into a cafe.
Morphle, morph into a flying robot! Come here! Morphle, aim the lasers at the force field! Yes!
No!
Mila, catch!
Hang on, Morphle!
Now, Mila! Great work, you two. Next time, we'll make sure you don't turn evil. Maybe there won't be a next time.
Morphle? Jordy? Shall we play a game?
Yeah!
Yay, Todd! Great! Come on, Morphle. Let's make Orphle play! Oh, yes! I've got an idea. You two be Team Orphle, and we'll be Team Morphle.
Yeah! A magic pet team-up!
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical!
Orphle, morph into a plane so we can speed away.
Orphle like horsey wings! Morphle, morph into a dragon so we can fly faster and tag them! Morphle, morph, morph!
Nothing like a nice, clean suit, huh, Barky? My nice, clean suit!
Morph into a helicopter, quick!
Rocket faster!
Tag, you're it!
Oh my! Thank you!
Morphle, morph into a space hopper and let's bounce over there! Morphle, morph, morph!
My nice, clean suit! Again!
Orphle, morph into a race car!
Space Hunter!
Oh, come on!
Uh-oh!
Incoming!
Morphle, morph long arms and catch Team Orphle! They're out of control! enough tag for one day.
Me too. My nice clean suit was... Wait, what's that noise? As I was saying, my nice clean suit...
I can't wait to go ice skating. Wow! Thanks, Catmo! Morphle lovers! Whoopsie! Cool!
Huh? This looks like an ice rink for babies! With that magic pet, I could make the biggest ice rink in the world! Wanna try my slushie? Now, make me a huge ice rink! Oi! Careful, you'll get a brain freeze! Told ya. Whoa! Oh, yes! This is amazing! Haha, my ice rink is better than yours.
Poor Catmo. We have to warm her up before she turns Petport into Iceport. Let's go.
Stop right there. Do as I say. I'm Officer Freeze.
Woo! This is amazing! Huh? No! Ah! Not cool!
Oh no! Thanks, Catmo. Come get nice and warm in this. Morphle, morph into something speedy. Morphle, let's get her! There she is. Gotta get out! Awesome! Loop the loop, Morphle! Mila ready? Ready. Got you! It's okay, Catmo. Can you help us turn things back to normal, please? Now, let's get you warm.
What? Stop it! I'm not a juice pop!
Yummy! Every day's a magical day with the magic pet. Who's that? Wow! A new magic pet! Hello, Petport! The bandits! Stop making all that noise!
Ha! That distraction works! Now I can have my very own magic pet! Ha! Ah! Huh?
What just happened?
Oh no! We've swapped bodies! You're me and I'm you!
It's time for you to leave, bandits!
Let's get out of here!
Huh?
Wait! I'm not Winston! I'm April! Are you two okay?
Never felt better. See ya!
What's up with April? Let's find out what's going on. After them!
Do you want to go back and grab that magic pad?
Nope. Let's do some painting.
Huh?
Jordy, what are that new pets pet's magic powers. According to my pet primer, his name is Swap Slop, and he can make people swap bodies. April and Winston must have body swapped! Huh? We need to get Swap Sloth back from Winston. I mean April. I mean Winston. There they are! Winston, stop! No way!
I love painting.
Winston's being so nice today.
Hey! Give back Swap Sloth! No way!
Morphle get him!
Let go! Swap Sloth! Swap April and Winston back again!
I'm me again!
And you're you again, Winston.
Can we do some more painting?
No, we can't. Come on, let's go.
I preferred him when he was April.
Wow!
It's Petport Cleanup Day! Let's make our beautiful town even more beautiful.
Morphle clean!
Bubble Bear, your bubbles are making Petport even prettier. Huh?
Rainbow bubbles!
What's happened? His tail went in my paint. Ah! Bubble Bear, stop! We're supposed to be cleaning up Petport, not making a mess here. We need to clean the paint off your tail. We have to stop him before Petport becomes paintport. Do something, Morphle! Let's go! The whole town is getting messed up. Watch out! Morphle, spin your blades as fast as you can and blow the bubbles away.
What? Huh?
We need to wash that paint off. But how?
Morphle get water!
Huh?
Put me down, please.
That's better.
Phew! Guys, we have to find Bubble Bear. There he is! Let's get him! Time to clean you up, Bubble Bear! Let's make the town cleaner than ever! Bye-bye, Piggy Snack Snack!
Wow! Great job cleaning up the town.
Thanks, Daddy.
Actually, I prefer the fence with the paint splats.
One final touch, and ta-da! It's finished. Yes! I am Mila, queen of this castle. I am April Delize. I'm Jester Jordy. And I dub thee the bravest a night in the kingdom. Sir Morphle! Yeah! Come on, let's play!
Oh, Orphle wanna play in castle too! No fair!
You're so funny, Jester Jordy! We're under attack! Morphle, do something! Soccer shoe? Great idea! I'll help with my magic. Alakazoo! Alakazam! Send those balls back! Bam, bam, bam!
Oh, Orphle knocked down gate!
The castle is safe again. Thanks to Brave Knight Sir Morphle and Magic Wizard April. Yeah! He's going to knock down the gate. Follow me. Get ready. Now! Take it away, Morphle. Bye! Thanks to Sir Morphle, the kingdom is safe again. Quick, Morphle! Morph into a shield! Morphle, stop!
Let Orphle play!
Our castle! Orphle, if you wanted to join our game, all you had to do was ask.
Sorry.
I've got a great idea! Cool! I named this castle Castle Morphle Orphle. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Ready to play hide and seek?
Yay!
Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me.
I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out, wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks!
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him! Oops!
Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up!
We can make it!
I command you to stop! Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila! Now we have our own helicopter!
Yeah.
Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Morphle, no bandit helicopter! Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away! Uh-oh.
Mila? Yes, it's me, Morphle. Jump in. Let's get these bandits back where they belong.
Sorry. Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with morphing magic friends.
This is Robofreeze version 3.0.
Very pleased to meet you all.
Hello.
Very pleased to meet you too, Robofreeze version 3.0.
Hi, everyone. This is C-Rex.
We're taking him to the beach to meet Troy, his magic match.
According to my pet primer, C-Rex's magic power is controlling water.
Wow.
It's okay. He's still a baby, so can't fully control his powers yet.
Well, keep that water away from Robofreeze. It could make him go haywire.
Affirmative. You're under arrest for splashing me.
Oh no, he's malfunctioned again.
We have to get C-Rex back. Yeah, he's Troy's magic match. Morphle, help! Morphle! Stop! Don't worry, C-Rex. We're here!
Out of my way, citizens.
How are we going to stop them? C-Rex, try using the water from the fountain.
I can't see. This pet is going to jail.
Keep chasing! Yee-haw! We need to get C-Rex to Troy. He's too fast! What are we going to do? A giant wave! Morphle, morph into a kiteboard.
Riding waves is not permitted.
Whoa! Whoa! C-Rex, stay focused. You can do this. Good job. Grab it! Mila, look, there's Troy. Troy, this is C-Rex, your magic match. Hi, C-Rex. Wow! Amazing!
That pet is still under arrest.
Morphle! C-Rex!
Too much water.
C-Rex, thanks for being so handy. Great work, C-Rex. Aww.
I can hear the bus, but I can't see it, Morphle. Huh? Huh? Bus Tiny! A little bus and bus driver Stacy. How did this happen?
I have no idea. I was driving along and zap! I became tiny.
We have to get you back to your normal size.
Please hurry. I've got passengers to pick up.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a bus.
Morphle, morph!
Look! Everything's tiny! What's going on? Where's Officer Freeze?
Shoo! Get away from me! Shoo!
Oh, thanks, Mila. The bandits shrunk me as I was about to get in my car.
I knew they'd be behind this. But how are we going to find them? I know! We'll follow the trail of shrunken things. Morphle, morph into a police car, and let's make today magical! A mini soccer ball? A mini police station! They've even shrunk the ice cream truck!
What? Not in my city.
The bandits definitely came this way. But where are they now?
Tiny crane.
We have to get that shrink ray. Chase those bad bandits, Morphle! Give us that shrink ray, you naughty bandits!
Never! Let us go! Zap it! Now shrink Morphle!
Hey, what's happening?
Catch bandits!
Thanks for your help, Mila and Morphle. I think I'll keep you this size for a while.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Welcome to Petport's annual hot air balloon race!
I've always wanted to compete in a balloon race, Morphle. Yay! Hooray!
Ready to fly, kids?
Ready as I'll ever be.
I was born ready.
We're guaranteed to win by cheating.
Competitors, you are going to race all around the city. May the best balloon win. On your marks. Get set. Go!
I know! The bandits didn't wait for Daddy to say go.
Yeah!
Right. Here's what we're going to do to win.
Coming through.
We'll see about that. Wait for it.
Gotcha!
We're number one. We're number one. We're number one. You're number one. You're number one.
Help! Look! We have to help our friends, Morphle. Great job, Morphle.
You and Mila are such good sports.
Good job, Morphle. We're gaining on them. We have to go faster. Our balloon's too heavy. You two, get out.
Oh, wait! The balloon's too light now! Winston!
Huh? Why am I going up? Go forward, you silly balloon. The finish line's that way.
Ooh, we're almost at the finish line. Winston? We're so close to winning. But we have to stop Winston from floating away. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Morphle! Morphle! Winston, jump! Welcome aboard.
And the winners are April, Jordy, and Professor Paula. And a special award for choosing to do the right thing. Mila and Morphle!
Woohoo! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Come to the Petport Flower Show.
Hi, guys. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Jenny. I really want to win that trophy. Let's get my flower. Ooh, I need to give it some water. Morphle, if you please. Morphle, Morphle. Thank you. Hey, Mila, this flower looks really thirsty. It's a magic pet! Not just any magic pet. It's a shrub cup. According to the magic pet primer, she can make flowers and plants grow anywhere. Whoa! Oh, actually, oh no! We have to stop her turning Petport into Jungleport. But how? Quick, after her! Mila, a little help, please. Thank you. Ooh, Shrub Cup tired. Jordy, where does Shrub Cup sleep? Let's have a look. Got it. In giant flowers. And, apparently, they love berries. In that case, I've got a plan. But first, we need to get her back to the Magic Pet Center. And I know how. Tasty berry. Who wants a tasty berry? Ooh!
A jungle? Not in my city.
Don't worry, Shrub Cup. Morphle, morph into a flower. Here, Shrub Cup. It worked. Shh. Oops. Sorry. It worked. Morphle, lower us to the ground. Oh, she's so cute. They're a magic match. Jenny, meet Shrub Cup. I can't believe I've got a magic pet.
Shrub Cup, could you please return Petport to normal?
Thank you, Shrub Cup. And thank you all for helping me find my magic match. I think we can all agree that Shrub Cup is the best at growing flowers. Morphle wants see! Morphle wants see! It's a surprise, Morphle. You gotta wait. Happy Matchiversary, Morphle! Morphlecake Matchiversary! Yeah, to celebrate the day we became a magic match and best friends. Morphle love Mila. I love you too, Morphle. Happy Matchiversary, you guys. Thanks, Jordy. Now, how about some cake? I want cake. Yum, yum, yum. Morphle? Morphle cake. No, Morphle. Hey, guys. Why don't we all... No! Phew. I got you, Cake. Huh? Cake mine! Oh, we'll get your cake back. A magic match promise. Morphlecake, here we come! Orphlecake! Orphle, wait! We can all share! Catch it, Jordy! Phew, that was close. Not fair! I get see, Orphle. Maybe he's given up? I don't know, Mila. When has Orphle ever given up? Guys, there must be another way to settle this. I know! Morph it to a speedboat! Slow down, Morphle! The cake's getting wet! I'm getting wet too. Watch out! Morphle, save the cake! Yes! Got it! This is fun! Orphle, next time you want some cake, you just have to ask nicely. Cake ruined. The cake's not ruined. We have exactly 4 pieces. One for each of us. All for 2? All for 2. Finally. Happy matchiversary, Morphle. Morphle love Mila. And Morplecake.
Hello, Mila and Morphle.
Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Present for Auntie.
We made it from our recycled plastic bottles.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Come on, let's get you some cake.
Morphle love cake.
Oh, my necklace! It's gone!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll find it.
Ooh.
This is a case for Detective Mila. Aha! Our first clue. Ooh, a candy wrapper.
A fine necklace.
I know. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog. Follow the smell of candy. Good job, Morphle. You found more candy.
Huh?
What's wrong, Morphle?
Candy all gone.
There must be other clues around. Aha! Our second clue. Now we know who took Aunt Augustine's necklace.
Bunny Rabbit?
No, silly. The bandits.
This must be worth loads of money.
Give that back.
Hunting necklace.
Let's get out of here.
Eat my dust.
Hey! Come back here. Morph into a hang glider. Huh? There they are.
Bandits too fast.
Morphle, land over there. Morphle, morph into a spider.
Morphle, morph.
Get ready to make a big web between the buildings. Now, Morphle. Yay! We did it!
Great work, Detective Mila and Morphle. You caught the necklace thieves.
My necklace!
I'll take that.
Thank you.
If you hadn't flown into that giant web, we could have sold that necklace for loads of money.
Winston, Morphle and I made that necklace out of recycled plastic.
Oh, you said it was made of diamonds.
Oh, this may be made of plastic, but it's the most precious thing I own because you two made it. Thank you. Mwah.
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat.
I hope Daddy and Gianna are enjoying their picnic on the beach.
Morphle love beach.
Huh?
Mila, I forgot to bring the present I got for Gianna.
We'll get it to you, Daddy. We have to get the special surprise for Gianna to the beach. Mom loves special surprises. Special surprise? Got it! Great! Let's get it to the beach. Good job, Morphle! I'm sure Mum is going to love her present.
It's got to be a new magic pet.
Awful one present.
Ugh, it's you, Morphle. Well, don't just stand there. Go after him, Dorfle.
Mila, look! Winston and Orphle? Give me that present! They're after Mom's special surprise!
Morphle idea.
Good going, Morphle!
Thanks, Mila.
Now, let's get to the beach!
After that present, Slawful. Go faster!
Huh? Daddy!
You're here.
Here, present.
What present?
Orphle's present.
Winston's present. Ha! Oh no! Ha! Gotcha!
Morphle, I'm open! Heads up, Jordy! Catch!
Oh! For me? I love special surprises.
Oh, that's great, Mom.
Present hat.
Is that at least a magic hat?
I love it. Thank you.
I'm so glad you like it.
Oh, that's great, Mom.
I guess we'll have to try again next time. Awful. Hey, I got it right.
Okay, Spinston.
Winston!
Oh, I love Christmas Eve. And it's our first Christmas as a family. Christmas is going to be great because I'm going to take 4 magic pets.
Oh.
With my Robot Santa!
Santa?
Merry Christmas, fellow human.
Santa!
That is correct. Would you like to see my sleigh?
Have some more decorations.
I actually like these colors.
Well, that was easy.
Hang on. That doesn't sound good. It's Winston and the bandits!
Merry Christmas to me!
Don't worry about us. Rescue the pets.
Quick, Morphle! We need to follow that sleigh! Where are they taking them? I think they're heading for the junkyard! Faster, Morphle! Morphle, run!
4 magic pets of my own at last!
Not so fast, Winston! Those are our magic pets!
Ha! We'll see about that. Robot Santa, activate snowball mode!
Activating snowball mode.
Watch out! What do we do, Mila? I know! Morphle! Morph into a snow spreader! Snowy snow!
Robot Santa, activate extreme snowball mode!
Too snowy.
You can do it, Morphle!
There's too much snow!
Malfunction. Malfunction. Malfunction.
Do something!
Oh, we can't.
We're frozen.
Ah, cold! Get off me! Are you all okay? Let's get you home where you belong. Morphle, please turn into a reindeer to pull the sleigh.
Let's finish decorating the tree.
Mila, Aunt Augustine's coming over, so I need to tidy up.
Do you want us to help, Daddy?
No thanks, Mila. But you could take everyone into the backyard.
Okay, come on, everyone. Let's go outside.
Muffin know what to
Oh, I know. Let's build a tree house. Doubler, can you use your magic and make us some more wood, please? Thanks, Doubler.
Muffle, help Mila. Muffle, muff.
Great work, Morphle.
Wow.
Oh, okay, thank you for working your magic, Animi. You can be the steps, you can be the floor, and you can be a flying hammer. Tickle, tickle. Oh, you're so cute. Great work, you guys. Now, let's get the walls done. This is looking awesome. Huh? Whoa, Doubler! Animi, we don't need any more wood. Huh? This is getting out of control. Oh, no, not now, Town of Sheep. Morphle. It's too big and too heavy! What are we gonna do? Doubler, no! Morphle, do something! Well done, Morphle! Count the sheep! Everyone, get back!
Muffin no safe treehouse.
It wasn't your fault, Morphle. I have an idea. If we all work as a team, we can make the best treehouse ever.
Wow! You've made an absolutely incredible treehouse. Well done.
Yes!